Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through resetting your PicsArt password on your iPhone, step by step. First, let's open the PicsArt app. Now go to Sign In page. In this page, you'll find a trouble signing in. Tap on that. Next, it'll take you to a web browser. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. This is where PicsArt will send the password reset link. After you've sent the request, open the Gale app on your iPhone. Look for the email from PicsArt and open it. In the email, there's a Reset Password button. Tap on it and it'll open a new page for setting your new password. Here, you'll have to enter your new password twice for confirmation. Make sure it's a strong one. Once your password is set, go back to the PicsArt app. Enter your email and new password and voila, you're in. And that's how you reset your PicsArt password on an iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share Everything channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll reply to all. Thanks for watching.